Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Intel or AMD CPU and 4 GB plus RAM matter for performance. Once done, enable developer mode on the Chromebook to allow changes and back up your files because this process can wipe local storage. Next, download the Windows 10 ISO and a USB imaging tool like Rufus on another PC. This prepares the installation media. Make sure your Chromebook battery is charged and you have a USB drive of at least 8 GB ready. You'll now create the bootable USB with the Windows 10 ISO. Rufus lets you choose GPT/UEFI or MBR depending on your firmware. Once the USB is ready, reboot the Chromebook into Recovery or Developer Boot menu and install a compatible firmware or enable cBIOS so you can boot legacy media. Then boot from the USB, follow the Windows installer prompts, delete existing Chrome OS partitions as needed, and create NTFS partitions for Windows. Proceed step by step and watch for driver needs as the installer copies files. You finish by installing Windows drivers. Start with chipset, then audio and Wi-Fi. Use official vendor packages when available and community drivers if needed, because hardware support varies on Chromebooks. Once drivers are set, restore your data, enable Windows Update, and adjust power and touchpad settings for better battery life. If you encounter a boot error, make sure firmware options like Legacy Boot are correct. Test the USB on another PC to verify integrity, and consider reflashing firmware or reverting to a recovery image if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.